everybody, Jamie and I are so excited to invite you to our Simplify Your Holidays workshop event. If we haven't met before, I'm Cindy Garlock. I'm a owner and professional home organizer of Simplify with Cindy, where I help you make space for what matters most to you. In the past few weeks, I've been sharing 5 tips about different spaces in your home and how to make it a little easier to live life. Now, you may be wondering about the Simplify Your Holidays workshop and what's entailed. What am I going to get? What am I going to miss if I can't make it? You're going to want to make it. To start out, we're going to do a 40 to 45 minute lighthearted, fun, and informative presentation so you can start thinking about your holidays, help planning your holidays, and so you're getting ready for your best holiday yet. You're going to walk away with tips and tricks that help you look forward to and help you enjoy and help you to reflect fondly on your holiday this year. Then we're going to design your own holiday notebook for all things holiday. It's going to be custom created for you. I'll be there to help along the way. And so my intention is when you leave the workshop, that you will have something attached to your right arm or your left arm that will help you throughout the whole season. Everything will be in there. It's all things holiday. And I'm super excited that it can be customized so it can make it work for you. It'll help you feel in control and at ease as the holidays begin, and then you can really enjoy them. And that is my goal for this workshop. So I hope you choose to join us. It is on Monday, November 6th from 7 to 9 p.m., I should say, at Parker Mortgage. There's going to be dessert charcuterie. I'm not even sure what that means, but it sounds amazing. Drinks and some cool raffle prizes, so you won't want to miss it. With all the tips and tricks and desserts and cool prizes, and we'll get to meet in person. I can't wait to have you come by and say hi. And so I hope you join us on Monday, November 6th from 7 to 9. It's going to be a lot of fun. You're going to feel better about the holidays. You're going to even be excited. You're going to have a plan of attack. And so I hope you choose to join us. See you then. Bye.